Hi everyone, welcome to this trend trader trading strategy tutorial. In this video, I wanna going to show you how you can trade and make profit by using the 3 powerful indicator. This is very simple and profitable trading strategy. So watch this strategy very carefully step by step. And remember, this strategy also works very well with most of the trading platform. And you can apply this trading strategy immediately on your trading platform after watching this video. So let's get started. So first I select TRX USDT and 5-minute time frame. And this strategy works very well with 5-minute to 1-hour time frame. And another thing, from the TradingView asset library, you have to must select your asset and trading platform because it's very important. Otherwise, the price will not sync with your platform and it could be reason for your trade fail. So now I have to add 3 indicators. So first indicator name is trend trader strategy. So I simply go indicator and simply write here trend trader strategy. Once I write here trend trader strategy, you can see one indicator trend trader strategy by H. Potter. So I simply click to add on my chart, and the second indicator is moving average EMA. So I simply write here EMA. Once I write here EMA, you can see moving average exponential indicator. So I simply click to add on my chart as well. And our third indicator is STC. Once I write here STC, you can see another indicator. The indicator name is STC indicator, a better MACD by Cheyenne KM. So I simply click to add on my chart as well. Okay, we have successfully add our 3 indicator. So now I have to setting the 3 indicator for looks more attractive and catch the pure signal. So first go with trend trader strategy. So I simply change the color to white, and for looks more attractive I simply change the thickness, and everything will be default and simply save. So now I want to change the EMA setting. So the default EMA length is 9, so I need 200 EMA. So I simply write here 200, and from the style tab I want to change the EMA color to yellow, and for looks more attractive I simply change the thickness and simply save. So now I want to change some setting for STC indicator. So simply go STC indicator setting, and from here I want to increase the opacity for green color, and also I want to make it more bolder, and I do the same thing for red color as well, and simply save. Alright, we have successfully setting our 3 indicator and it's now ready to catch signal. So before catch signal, let's introduce with the 3 indicator momentum. So first go with trend trader strategy. So trend trader has a one trend line. So if the price crossing up the trend line, that means the price is going to happen a uptrend. If the price crossing down the trend trader line, that means the price is going to happen a downtrend. So now let's introduce with 200 EMA momentum. For 200 EMA, if the price crossing up 200 EMA, in this time we just take buy position, and if the price crossing down the 200 EMA, in this time we just take sell position. So now let's introduce STC indicator momentum. STC indicator has 2 color line, red color line and green color line. The red color indicate downtrend and the green color indicate uptrend. So now let's see how you can generate buy and sell signal with the 3 indicator combination. And remember, the most important thing is that we just take 1 or 2 trade after every EMA crossover happen. Otherwise, it has a chance to trade fail. So for buy signal, first you have to make sure the price is above 200 EMA, and second confirmation is the price have to crossing up trend trader line, and third confirmation is STC line color have to green. If all the confirmation is matched, that means it's our buy signal because it's going to happen a strong uptrend. And we take long position here, and our stop loss will be on our trend trader line, and our first profit target will be 1 times from the stop loss, and the second profit target will be 2 times from the stop loss, and third profit target will be 3 times from the stop loss, and fourth profit target will be 4 times from the stop loss. And if I see After few, the prices successfully hit our profit target 1, profit target 2, even profit target 3 and profit target 4, and it's count as a successful trade. And if you have a risk management knowledge, you can increase your profit target. So now let's see how you can generate sell signal using the 3 indicator confirmation and combination. For sell signal, first you have to make sure the price is below 200 EMA, and the second confirmation is the price have to crossing down the trend line, and third confirmation is the STC 10 line color have to red. If all the confirmation is matched, that means it's our sell signal. So we take short position here, and our stop loss will be on our 10 trader line, and our first profit target will be 1 times from the stop loss, and second profit target will be 2 times from the stop loss, and third profit target will be 3 times from the stop loss, and fourth profit target will be 4 times from the stop loss. So if I see after few the price is trying to go down and again reverse back, and let's see what's happened. And after few the price is successfully hit our profit target 1 and finally hit our profit target 2. And remember, all the time the price is hitting profit target 4, it's not guarantee. Sometime hitting profit target 1 or sometime profit target 2. Even sometime hitting stop loss, but hitting stop loss is very few. So hope you guys understand how you can generate buy and sell signal using the 3 indicator combination and confirmation.